Here's what I think this creator should be charging for a TikTok post. And the rates that I give you are based on my experience only. Because I am a creator monetization coach, I literally help creators figure out their rates and negotiate contracts all day long. So keep that in mind. Also, with the rates that I give you, some brands are going to accept them. Some brands are going to think they're too high. Some brands will think they're too low. Honestly, it's all over the place depending on the brand. Nazi Naz here, she has 9.7K followers. She told me that she has a low TikTok following, but her views are really good. And I would agree. I think she has a lot of really great videos that are getting high views. Now, if we go ahead and actually look at the comments here, you'll see that her comments on some videos are kind of low. We've got 8 on this one, 9 on this one, 25 there is great. But I think on some of the videos, it's a little bit low. But given that her views are still really strong, I honestly still think she's a good candidate for charging about industry standard. Personally, I would probably suggest that she charges somewhere around $500 to $700. I think that could be pretty realistic. Maybe 5 for brands that are a little bit smaller, 7 for brands that have more of a budget to work with, but I think that could be pretty realistic. If you need help figuring out what to charge, you can leave your name here in the comments and make sure you're following.